I mean, look at this. Right off the main road. Another spot along the way. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So if you haven't been able to tell, or if I haven't mentioned it, I'm on my way to Oregon to do some camping for a couple of days. But along my journey, like I mentioned in my previous video, I opened up my app and I'm searching for dispersed camping, free camping along the way, and I'm finding some killer spots. Forest Service land, BLM land, it's all working out. And I came to actually find like one or two, and along the way, I found several more that I'm adding and marking and adding waypoints. I'm definitely coming back. So I just think, getting out and looking for these locations anytime you're out and about, anytime you take a road trip, anytime you go camping, is a huge benefit. It's killing two birds with one stone, or multiple birds with one stone. Because like I said, I think I have at least 4, 5, 6 spots just within a 15-mile radius. So I'm loving it. Beautiful day, beautiful day. It's right off the road, but I pulled it up on the Free Roam app, and it's on BLM land. Can't get the Jeep all the way back here. Still has some nice open area. I could do some camping, some exploring.
Let's check this out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Adding this to the list. Dirt roads down there, but there's a little sliver of BLM land, so I just have to pay attention where private property starts. But I pulled up that dispersed camping with a view. Didn't even really read much on it. Pulled it up on the GPS, and now I'm about less than a half a mile away, so we'll see where it takes us. Looks like I already see one camper there. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, that looks cool. Of course, this time of year, there's gonna be tons of people all days like this anyway. But this is where it takes me, so we'll check out what's there. Like they're from out of state, but I want to check out this view if I can. Well, I'd have to say this dispersed camping spot is definitely going to be added to my checklist. Wow, that is freaking beautiful. Little beautiful campground, so we'll do a little car glamping next couple of nights. It sure is beautiful. Picked up a couple of these. Not like a firm believer in them. I was feeling super lazy this weekend, so I'm gonna give one a shot, see how they are. forgot to stir it the first time before I sealed it up, so I hope it turns out okay. Definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. I like it. They do say there are 2 servings, which I can see that, but how am I gonna reheat it? You know, put it in the fridge and then I guess just throw it on a pan and reheat it too, but which isn't bad, but I might just eat the whole thing right now. So my hit or hike sleeping pad lost all of its air last night. This never happened before. I had to wake up at 4 a.m. and blow it up. So I'm gonna have to check and see if there's a leak in it. Good thing I had a backup. I got the sleep and go as a backup. If there's no leak, I'm gonna double them up too. Fill in the wood platform underneath. Definitely didn't feel good on the back last night. Well, this concludes this episode. So I hope you enjoyed it. And by the time you're getting this, I'm actually going to be in Vegas. I'm going to be in Vegas, and then I'm hitting the road and going up to Arizona, Colorado, Utah. If there's anything that you want me to check out or you'd be interested in me making a video on, let me know in the comments below. Tip of the trip was, if you saw earlier, me getting on those apps that I have that I mentioned in my previous video, and just started exploring along the way. I found tons of free camping spots that I can add to my list, and this is just in this area on my way from Washington to Oregon, and just within a 15-mile radius. So many more for me to add to the list. And tip number 2 is a recommendation, something to think about, because I ran into the problem last night before. Having a backup sleeping pad was super nice. Thankfully, I had the backup sleep and go that I have, so I was able to blow that up and use that last night. To be honest, like, my back, and I toss and turn so much that if I didn't have that backup pad, I don't know if I would have wanted to sleep through the night in my Jeep, because I would be basically on a wood surface. I probably would have went to a hotel or something. That's how bad it is for me anyways, but something to think about. So I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and have a good day.